Hey guys, today I will be making shrimp Alfredo. So you can see I already got the steps ready for the shrimp. If I go to a restaurant, would y'all eat this? Comment down below. You'll see those shrimps. Don't ask why this is here. Wait, guys, I gotta chill. I'm just kidding. Y'all saw nothing. But the shrimp is cooking right now. I'm just waiting for it to get done. Smells good. Hey, comment down below how y'all days been. As you can tell, this one is kind of undercooked, so we have to like make sure he gets cooked more. If you guys want to make this at home, make sure your parents say you can make it. So I'm gonna show you your ingredients. So you need shrimp. Obviously, you need shrimp. A fish called shrimp Alfredo. I'm gonna grab the other stuff so I can show you guys how to make this. If you want to. So you got this. Let me show you all the ingredients. So your first ingredient is this one right here, the Bayou Cajun seasoning, and then you got salt and pepper, but put only all three of these put lightly. And then this one is called seasoned salt. I would recommend putting like 2 teaspoons, and then for garlic, like put almost. You see all those flakes in there? That's from the garlic. I would recommend putting like 3 spoons. Yeah, 3 spoons. But you have to mix it when you're doing all of this. Put it in there. Okay. Y'all can still see. Now let me put this stuff back. Like so. Look at this, guys. Look. It's turning orange. That means it's starting to get cooked. This one still needs to cook right here. Everything still needs to cook, so I'm gonna put it like on 4. Oh, y'all see those juices? Hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all see those juices? Those shrimp juices, my guy. Comment down below, would y'all eat this when it's cooked? Not raw. Well, you can still eat raw shrimp, but you'll probably have to get to it. Oh yeah, just so you know, before you put it in, you have to put butter the pot like this. If you want a lot of shrimp, put some like this. But if you want a little, like just put in like one of these. Hold on. One of these, because they're like that. Or you can put. Or you could put one like this in there. But I recommend, if you want a lot, just do this one. But if you want like a certain amount, just put some in here. These are extra large shrimps, and then I got some in there that are very tiny. Got a cold jug of water holding y'all up. The reason why I'm having a cold jug of water on y'all is because y'all icy, y'all nice, y'all respectful, y'all human beings. We're all equal. Doesn't matter if we're homeless, rich, minimum wage. We're all human. We all treat each other the same. Actually, no. Almost slipped. So, why was it so slippery? Time to mix this. Okay, I got me a cup of water. Sorry guys, I'm not talking. I'm just thinking about something right now. Oh yeah, guys. When I'm supposed to be going to Texas with some of my family members on my dad's side, so I'm probably record that trip, and I'm probably gonna be gone for 2 weeks, maybe. I might record to stay updated. Just subscribe to stay updated if y'all want to. Maybe, maybe not. But there's gonna be my channel's gonna be based around cooking, gameplay, and jokes, basically. But if you ever guys find like a good YouTube channel, just like, you could do anything with it. If it's your YouTube channel, you have no subscribers, it doesn't matter, because you're gonna one of these days you could blow up and then become the most famous YouTuber, more famous than PewDiePie. You never know. You just have to believe. Go follow your dreams always. Don't care what anybody tells you. Just follow your dreams. It doesn't matter. You're a human being. You can do what you want. Just don't do anything illegal. Obviously, if you do anything illegal, then that's probably gonna get you in jail. So. But if you follow your dreams, you could probably go far in your future. Like, I'm just a kid cooking, doing jokes, trying to make people laugh, but those jokes don't make people laugh. And I mean, it's hard for me to make people laugh, but sometimes I make people laugh, but it's not all the time. Everything I do is basically to help people. If they're like sad, I just try to make jokes. I cook, which is not that often, and plus I play games. Those are like 3 traits that I could use in the world. Like, if I make jokes, I could be a comedian. If I'm a cook, I could become a chef, and then I could become a professional gamer. You never know. You just have to follow your dreams. Nobody can tell you not to follow your dreams. Besides you, you're the only one that can make you yourself achieve your dreams. And we're all different. We're humans. Everything is supposed to be different. Not everybody's supposed to be the same. If everybody was the same, then the world would be boring. It's just like thinking about how many possibilities could have happened to this world, and how many family members you would have had, and like it's endless. Everybody could just disappear. And then you'll probably, and if you were immortal, you would live for eternity, but you would probably be floating in space, because Earth is polluted, the ozone is messed up, we got global warming. There's so much stuff that could happen to us. Now, I can understand that everybody watching my YouTube channel is kids, and I understand that you guys are young. I understand that we're all young. It's just, we could achieve our dreams when we're young, and then once we get older, our dreams will be achieved. Just believe in yourself. You can't disbelieve in yourself. We're all able to follow our dreams. We just have to take a chance. Just believe in yourself. You can do anything. It doesn't matter if you're fat, skinny, or anything. You could literally be a brick and still do anything. Like, everything is useful on this planet. You're like, oh, plastic, what is plastic used for? Bags, cups, what is cotton used for? Clothes. Mainly almost. We use trees every single day. We use it for oxygen, money, we use it for clothes, and then on top of that, we use it to like do other stuff. And like, the more we get rid of trees, the more there's not gonna more oxygen we're not gonna have. It's just, life is crazy. We're all humans. We may look different, like we may have a deformed arm, leg, chest, heart, whatever. It doesn't matter. We're all human. We can appreciate each other. Because at the end of the day, we all have each other. Because when we're human, we're probably the only... We think that we're the only race out there in the universe, but we're probably not. There's probably aliens. There's probably whales that run the planet. Like, multiple things. Anything could be possible. You just don't know what's outside of this planet. All we know is the moon, the sun, Saturn, Jupiter, Pluto. For all we know, there could be a planet called Diarrhea, and it could be the best planet. It could be a recreation of Earth, but with more smarter, like, animals, humans. There probably won't even be humans on that planet. It would probably just be animals, probably different life forms that we don't know, like everything. There could even be a marine world where there's basically just fish, everything, just water animals, aquatic animals, sea life. For all we know, there probably could be a person in this planet that is the world's smartest person that could destroy the planet and do something besides destroy the planet, or it could just, that person can help the planet in general. We just have to, like, you know what they should do for one day? Like, they should like give everybody enough money for like an electric car to where they don't have to worry about pollution, and then that day will probably help the planet more because we're helping the environment. Plus, if we have a day where we have to plant trees and help nature, we'll probably be able to live longer and help our ozone. There wouldn't be no natural disasters. Like, natural disasters are like regular, but not that often they come. When was the last time on the news you saw somebody get killed by a natural disaster? Not a while, right? But if you decide to like do something for the planet, that helps the environment, and that might help the Earth live longer. And the longer the Earth lives, the more of your family generation will carry on, and then they could probably see the future with flying cars, robots, everything. We have so many possibilities for this Earth to go downhill. Like, we have robots, monkeys, aliens, just the Earth explodes, gets sucked into a black hole. It's so many things that can happen. We just don't know it. Plus, we're all kids. Like, half of the population is adult and kids. That's about it. For all we know, there could be like a different species of humans. Like, there could be like an alien human, like a human that could transform into anything. Like, that's planet Earth for you. We have so much stuff on this planet that's creepy, fantastic, amazing to see. Some things you wouldn't want to see. But we have to, either we see it or we don't see it. That's life. We choose our destiny. It's all up to us. Like, we're kids right now, but when we get older, you have to achieve when you achieve your dreams when you're young, it really helps you because you're like, if you're a kid right now, like, just like, what is he talking about? Like, I'm talking about like how you can help your future and stuff, but I'm not trying to sound like those people on TV like, you can help your future. Like, no, just follow your dreams. If anybody tells you can't, then that's their fault. They can't follow their dreams. They're just bad people. They don't want you to they don't want you to succeed. But we all could make it one day. We could start off bad in reality, start making money, and then later on in the years, you could probably find like a good person that can help you, and then you could get probably millions of dollars. You never know if you just help people. But don't help a lot of people that look like, I mean, you can help homeless people, but don't help like heck of people to where you ain't gonna have no money. But you can help people. Just make sure you help yourself too before you start helping everybody. Like, cause life is hard. Like, everybody, adults have to pay taxes, bills, everything. They have to pay more than, like, we're kids. They pay for everything for us. And if you have your own money and you're a kid, then I'm sorry, shush. But if you're an adult, if an adult is paying for you, just accept them because they're older than you. They're taking care of you, probably by force, but I don't know. But if you just try to succeed your dreams, it'll probably work out in your favor. Alright guys, the food is done. I would usually right now put it in the thing. Where's my strainer? Oh, it's right here. Let me open my strainer. Alright, let me set you guys up. Move this right here. Can y'all see? No, I'm gonna put y'all down here. Actually, up here. The frick? Nope, it's gonna look like this. Shirt smell like fish, my guy. Oh, now I have to wipe my shirt like a female. Oh my god! Alright, the big finale, guys. Big finale. Ooh, wow. Bro, I'm finna shower after this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video for today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay updated with my daily YouTube content. Well, it might not be daily, but you know. But it's time to say goodbye, guys. Remember, stay stuffy.